Alright, this is my mobile locksmith van. I have this plugged in, which I've been using. I bought this from Amazon months ago and it works great. And then usually you can plug it into a USB or use a block, but it will not come on with this power strip. And let's see if I can send it back and get a replacement. We got another one inside my wife bought, she's using. I'm going to test it. Well, once you turn it on, you can't turn it on unless you unplug it and then plug it back in, and then it comes on. But if you turn it off, which you have to wait a minute, like if you turn it off and leave it off for a minute, excuse me, it will not come back on again. Which I'll say that now, but then it will for some reason. But once you leave it off for a second, it won't come on. You'll have to turn around and unplug it, and then come back to turn it on. See if it works. Nope, see? And it says for a minute it will not work. Then you have to come back over here, plug it back in, and then it works. I really don't know what that's all about.
Let's see how this product compares to the way it's advertised. So first, it looks pretty neat on this picture. It looks good, it looks good, it looks good. Well, organized cables, etc. Now let's scroll a little bit. This looks good, this looks good, and here. This is what the back looks like on the picture. Now let's look at the product. This is the back. So you cannot put this against the wall the way you would hope, because this thing is in the way. So if you want to put your desk against the wall, your desk is going to be slightly off the wall. So if this is what you want, then I guess this is good for you. But if you were expecting to get this, well, that's just not it.
So it's not the prettiest charge station I have here with all the cords flying all over the place, so keep that in mind when you do like that. You've got length of cord, you know what you do to mount it on the bottom, and then have those sticking up. So not really a criticism, it's just this is what I got going on. I actually really like it, just having one outlet and the battery backup and all of these. I love the USB-C options, and yeah, just works really well. Simple solution, stays put when you're pushing and pulling these. I don't know, simple product, but I like it.
So the outlet's all sunk into the power strip, so it's unusable. I mean, this side did not, as you can see, but you can see on this side they did, so that you can't even plug anything into it anymore. The power would flicker on these items constantly. It was just bad as a whole. I will never spend $60 on a power strip that's this cheaply made, ever.